Recently, one man came and told me, Father, I am being cheated. 20 crore rupees. He told me that 20 crore rupees I am being cheated. Nearly 400 million I am being cheated. Thinking that I will get more remuneration, so I invested and collected money from other people and I invested. But after some time, there is no interest and there is no contact, and they have no interest to contact me. Not only they are giving me the interest that they promised, but now they have no interest to contact me. What shall I do? I told him, please don't be disturbed. Don't destroy your peace. Don't make any unrest, or do not destroy your peace between you and these cheaters. But you have to do striking and blessing prayer. File your lawsuit in the heavenly court. But you should not refrain from prayer. That prayer is called SEP. And he did 9 days SEP and participated online ministry and drank the holy water mingled with blessed salt. 9th day, all these cheaters lost their peace and they have no sleep at all. Many days they could not sleep. Sleepless nights, troubles in their heart. Finally they came to know that this man might have gone to a magician and did some black magic against us. We will be killed by this man, or he is the one who does the black magic against us. But he has not done any black magic except the SEP prayer he did it. And they came, reconciled with him, apologized, and all his money returned, only the principal amount without fulfilling the promised interest. He got back everything. So make peace with everyone, relax and do SEP prayer. What is the promise word? Make peace with everyone. Peacemakers are called the children of God. Children of God, Romans 8:16, children of God will inherit the heavenly blessings. They have inheritance. The Spirit bearing the witness with our spirit that we are children of God. When we are children of God, verse 15 says, we have an inheritance in heaven. Inheritance in heaven means the promises, and these promises are going to be fulfilled when you become